Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use aluminum rivets. These are about a size 14. You're going to use these for when the other rivets aren't long enough anymore, or these ones really hold some weight on it. So you're basically going to put them together. You're going to get your washer on top. 2 good hits. You don't want to overpound them, otherwise they won't hold. They'll disfigure, deform, and yeah, let's see. So let me cut this real quick. Okay. Then you take your little dome side here